Alright, so now Ghost Hunter. This is my solo session in the basement, leading up to the second floor. Just leading up to the basement, as you can see. I'm by myself, and this is the first time I go back. Let myself in. Right there, is it locked? Nope. Okay. Perfect. First time I go back since the time where I felt the bad energy surrounding myself. And that's great, you know, that's what we do. And it's where I cut the shadow. This place always is full of surprise because from one time to another, the mood is different. Heard footsteps. Just one of the many claims here. It's one thing you don't hear very often, ghost hunting shows. Total silence. The boat.